to it there, buddy. So if there's no line going out, then just lift up slow and reel down fast.
Yep, if you hear the dragging, you know, remember, let it go. Just like we do the big flatheads back home. Okay. Finally on, first one. Come on, Lucas.
Guys, when the fish get close to the boat, if they ever want to run underneath the boat, just going to use your whole rod to break the water.
Okay.
Just can't let the line hit any part of the boat.
Oh, that's looking good, Lucas.
God, it's coming in close now.
Certified for us, Lucas. Great opportunity. Oh, remember, feed it down.
Let them run.
Yeah, let them run. Don't fight them. Don't fight them. Yeah. Yeah.
Come up close, just leave the fish hit the water without lifting their head out.
Okay.
And once I gap them, then just stop reeling and we'll swing them to the bottom.
Sounds great. Yeah.
I don't see it yet, but it feels like
Yeah.
that.
You don't want to muscle them, Luke. Just fill them out. Just fill them out.
Oh, that reel just going. Oh, look at that. All right, man.
Ooh, this is going to be a beautiful day. This is a beautiful day. Yeah. 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 Coi vậy cho lên của nỉa đấy à.
Còn nhớ là chém không?
Yeah. Feel them loose, Luke. You gotta slowly work them.
Yeah. It's probably gonna come up.
Yeah.
It's coming. I think I
Remember, don't lift his head above the water. Oh, that's a beautiful looking fish. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Oh man. Oh wow, that's a beautiful fish. Slowly work them, Luke. Take your time. No rush, remember?
Tip down, tip down. Oh, there you go.
Oh, that's awesome, Luke. Yeah. Woo, Lucas, congrats, my son. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, look at that.
Wow. That's a beautiful fish right there.
Those are
That's a beautiful fish right there.